Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change a screen timeout in Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first click on the Start button and then type Control Panel. In the search results, click on Control Panel to open Control Panel on your Windows PC. Then click on this one Hardware and Sound category. Then click on Power Options. Here, click on Change Power Settings under any power plan you want to change a screen timeout. Here you will find Turn off the display. In case your device supports battery, you will find two options on battery and plugged in. Use both drop down menu and select a new timeout for on battery and for plugged in option. In turn off the display drop down menu and then click on this one save changes button.